OMG everybody, it is not raining. I am so surprised. Me too. So yeah, it's like literally not raining. Can't really see outside, but we're gonna walk over there and show you. 1 minute. We have to ask Toby another question. Toby? Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hello, it's Halloween. I'm waiting for something. Anyways, where's the candy? It's not Halloween. Yeah, Toby. That was a couple of months ago. What? I missed Halloween? I missed Halloween? No! Okay then. Come on, let's just jump over there. Okay, I'm coming. Oh. It's not the prettiest day, but actually, it kind of is. I'm just going this way. Sunny, sunny, sunny. The sun, I don't know where the sun is. I was going to tell you. I can show you the sun. But yeah, it's not the prettiest day. Not the prettiest day you can ever. Watch out. Get out the camera. But yeah. Not the very prettiest day. True, very true. Let's go see what Toby's doing. I think he's crying again. He always misses Halloween. No, I missed Halloween. No. 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 You hear me? No. Okay. He's very dramatic. Yeah, totally. So yeah, this is like the hut for the Webkins. Oh yeah, the hut for the Webkins. Hut for the Webkins. Woo woo. We gotta go get Toby. You hear me? I missed Halloween. Smokey, I missed Halloween. Oh, can't Toby. Oops, this was not supposed to be shown on camera. He has a cut right there, and it's not his fault. Oh gosh, I'm sorry you had to see that on camera. It's kind of gross. Yeah. He was there when we bought him. See ya. Bye-bye.